In this video, we are going to show you how to master Manus AI skills and workflows. Now, when it comes to mastering Manus AI skills, it really involves creating, packaging, and chaining autonomous agent workflows so you can automate repetitive tasks. In that way, you can fine-tune everything, right? So there are two key things you need to take away from this. One is to create and package skills. So you need to execute a task and package those skills that you created within the task, right? So if you have a task, just add a task here, right? Like make Manus do a task, then package the skills afterwards, right? So when you do that, you can now chain workflows for automation. So you can combine multiple skills together in a new chat, right? New chat is here, new task, right? And use this to create complex multiple step processes using Manus AI. Now you can do this using Manus to create, for example, a website. And then after it's created that specific website with that specific prompt, you can now have that create and package the skills that it has obtained using that prompt you made it do the website for. And then you can now chain the workflow by repeating that step over and over and over again to have an amazing, efficient workflow. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.